So, yes, come here. Perkin, number one, got released from the hospital. So that is number one. So hopefully his eyes opened up, which is huge. I mean, they had not opened up until this morning, really. I mean, they were like little peeking through, but today he opened them up and he doesn't really see. So when he walks around, he does walk into things. He uses his scent a lot, so he is super adorable. I have to admit it. I'm trying to get him to play with toys. He doesn't really know what they are. His big focus is food. So, which understandably, and you can see the muscle tone in his legs. He's able to support his body. He's not nearly falling over as much. He loves we have a little heater over there. He loves the little heater when I'm working. He sits next to me and he's following. Come here, Perkins. Come here. Say hi, everyone. See, I just came outside because I heard the door.